Need to organize different sections in your Google Sheet? Well, this is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the merge features to create clean, bold headers that separate your data into easy-to-read tables all in one sheet. Here I have 3 tables, and let's suppose I want these titles at the top to appear as headers to make the spreadsheet look more organized and just to make things pop. What you can do is use the merge cells feature to make that possible. So for this first table that talks about fruit, what you want to do is you want to highlight all of the cells where you want your text to appear. And then you want to click on this icon that says merge cells. You can click directly on that icon, or you can select this drop-down menu and then select merge horizontally. And now this text will fill up all 3 of these columns in this row. So now that the cells are merged, you can change the font to make it bigger. And I'm also going to bold the text and center that text. So now I have a nice little header or a nice title for that table. You can repeat that process for your subsequent tables by selecting the cell, then selecting Paint Format, and then clicking on the other titles to the tables. And it will go ahead and copy that format to the other tables. So this video shows you how to use the merge feature to make headers for your tables in a Google Sheet. And as a bonus, you also got to learn how to use the Paint Format tool to copy this across your spreadsheet. So if you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.